It's my birthday today, and because I've been a very good boy, I've been given this. Yes, it's the FPV3 remote for my DJI Neo, which means that I can now fly it in full manual mode, which means I can begin my journey toward becoming
an FPV god.
Or at very least, my journey towards being able to fly in a straight line. The plan is to come out today to set a bit of a benchmark for my skill in manual mode. And after that, I'm going to go away for about a week, practice in the simulator and come back and fly it and show you how much progress can be made. I might also try to take the Neo out a couple of times during the week just to get a bit more practice in the real world. And if I do, I'll try to film that and drop those videos. So if you're interested in seeing them, be sure to subscribe. I think that's it. That's enough waffling. It's quite windy today. It's very windy actually. So that's the excuse I'm going to be using for why I can't fly this thing in manual mode. Right, this is going to be interesting. Oh, okay, so I think I've set everything up. I have what would you call it, loosened or tightened, I don't know, but I've set this. You can take the back off of here basically and tighten up a little screw in the back, so that basically stops this from springing back. As you can see with the other one, it springs back. I think you're supposed to, I mean, let me know in the comments, but my understanding is you're supposed to allow this one to spring, but this one you want control of like that, right? This also springs this way. I don't think there's any way to change that, but let me know if there is. I might be missing something. I think I've got everything already set up in the Neo, so now I simply need to get my goggles. I haven't messed around. I mean, people talk about rates and stuff and messing around with the rate settings and everything. I honestly haven't even begun with any of that. If you've got advice, or you've got maybe videos from people that have done that, it'd be cool to hear, because I'd appreciate any input. Okay, so I think I've got to take off in manual, in normal mode. God, it's windy. Okay, take off in normal. My plan is going to be to get, I think, a little bit high. Okay, let's just go over here a bit. Hang on, what did I just press? Oh, hang on, am I recording? Oh no. Oh mate, I've just realised I haven't been recording on the drone at all, I don't think, for the whole time I've been flying. So let's pretend I haven't been flying for about 15 minutes, not recording at all. So I am now recording. Luckily I noticed. Oh, basically, you haven't missed much. It's been really hard. That's basically the long and short of it. Let's put it back into manual. Okay, right, we're going into manual now. So much wind. Can you hear it? There you go, we're in manual. Okay. Okay, let's just try to just stay relatively stable. Okay, not backwards. Let's go forward a bit. Right, now let's go forward rather than backward. We'll go forward. Let's go at a pace. Let's go forward fast. Full power. It's so windy, I'm barely moving. Whoa. Pause. So the only problem with this control is the record button is here, and the pause, like, you know, panic button is here, and I keep pressing the record button instead of, I think I keep pressing that, which is why I stopped recording previously. Bit annoying. I'm going to switch back into manual. Okay, let's go back into manual again. Where's the manual button? There it is. Right, get the sticks in the right place. There we go, we're in manual. Okay, try and just control it. So I'm not doing anything, right? So it's staying relatively still. The wind is just throwing it around. Maybe training with, maybe flying with the wind is a good thing, because it might, you know, it's hard mode essentially. It makes it much harder. I've heard people say that they fly in the sim, and then from flying in the sim they try to oh god, they try to come outside and it's really hard. Whoa. It's so windy, this is just insane. Okay, I've got to return to home now to change battery, so I'm going to come back. For my 40th, I had a Tiger Moth flight, and I was given control of the plane, and it was basically like the same level of control as I have of this drone, but I was in a plane. It was pretty dicey, honestly. It's horrendous. Right, here we go. Ah! Ah! Right, okay, let's switch batteries. Right, let's get out there a bit. Right, okay. Here we go. It is recording. Manual mode. God, it's just... Okay. Let's try and, right, let's just, I'm going up, I don't know why I'm going up, I don't want to go up. Oh, I'm going down, oh, I'm going sideways. Ah, that's wind. Oh, that's wind and terrible control. Let's come a bit closer, right, we'll start. I don't know if, is it a good idea, it's probably not a good idea to be starting next to a tree, is it? I keep doing that, I'm going to fly a bit over here. Right, let's go. Manual mode. Okay, we're in. God, flying fast with the wind, 10 meters a second, 12 meters a second, that's the fastest I've ever been. Oh God. I know. It's nice flying with the wind at your back, but it's also incredibly fast, and I'm not particularly well practiced at doing that. Okay, that's all right, look. Turn around. Now let's just try and fly over here a little bit. The problem is you just need to know exactly where on the sticks. Oh no. Okay, he's upside down. Go on then. No, I can go and get it. Do you want me to get it? Where did he, did you see where he crashed?
Where those pink people are.
Really?
Yeah.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Are they going to take it?
No.
Alright, I'll be back in about an hour. I think it's over here. I'm being shouted at, but I'm going to be stubborn. Okay, I'm going to use Find My Drone. Okay, so it should now be beeping. I can't see what she's saying. My wife is trying to tell me to go somewhere and I've got no idea what she's doing. I should probably just phone her, shouldn't I? Well, I can't see where you're pointing. You're 1,000 miles away. Where are you pointing? The hut. What? What, this one was the lorry, where the lorry is? Hang on, I might have it over here. I've got it. Now, just to demonstrate, that's how, can you hear that? That's how loud the beeping is on the Find My Drone thing. And I'm about, you can see it over there, I can barely hear it, and I'm basically next to it. They need to make that so much louder. That is so quiet, especially on a windy day. Alright. Okay. Into manual. Okay, we're in. Oh, it's going up. I don't know why it's... Oh, the wind. Just carrying it. Okay, here we go. See, I'm getting really far away already. I'm going to try and do a crazy drastic turn. Too drastic, I think. Alright. Oh, no. I've crashed the right way up. Start the motors. Yes, saves me a walk. Manual. Okay, and we're in. I just want to practice not going up. So where is the balance? There's the balance. There's a really fine balance between having power and not having power. And it's really hard. I was wondering if I should just bring it a bit closer to us, so we're a bit sheltered here. It's much less windy where I'm standing, so I'm wondering if I just bring it a bit closer, it might be a bit easier. But then there are trees around, so I've got to be quite careful with it. Okay, let's get it to here, and let's try around here somewhere. Okay. Actually, what I'm going to do is keep an eye on this tree here, because I don't want to fly into that basically. Right. Manual. Okay. Let's turn away from that tree if we can. Alright. Yep. Okay, crashed. Right way up, don't worry. Okay. Let's I keep forgetting which side is which on here. Yeah, okay. Let's turn around. Go over here a little bit more. Get a bit more shelter from this wind. Okay. Okay, manual mode. Yeah, the last thing I want is really to get caught in a tree if I can help it. Let's come back down. We're going up. I don't want to go up. Okay. Okay, we're hovering relatively well. Okay, yeah, good. Didn't hit the ground. Maybe flying a bit lower is better because it's less windy down there, I think. It feels like I've got a bit more control, he says. Bring it back down. Okay. Yeah. I have been bringing it up quite high just because it's a little bit safer, but just control it there. Let's go forward. Let's stop for a sec. Okay. Just a bit of hovering practice if I can. You wouldn't believe that it's this hard just to try and stay still. That's the crazy thing. There you go. That's a bit more still. See, I'm doing massive over adjustments. I don't need to be doing what I'm doing. I'm really kind of like stop. Yeah, huge over adjustments. You can see how much I'm moving the sticks and I don't need to. I think that's a problem. I keep doing these the wrong way around. For some reason I keep getting the sticks the wrong way around when I'm in normal. Okay. Let's try again. Manual. Okay. Oh, wind. Whoa, yeah, well close to that tree. Oh, that was so close. See these little, I was going to say I'm going to try and fly through these little hoops down here with manual. Let's not even pretend. Okay, let's stop there. Manual. Okay, we're in. Just stay still. I've heard people say this, that the best practice is actually just hovering in one spot. It's the hardest thing to do as a beginner. I would agree. There you go, that's not too bad. Let's go up a bit, and then down a bit, and up. Okay, and let's come over to us. The wind. Oh, let's go fast. How fast can I go? Ah! that was like 14 meters a second. I think that's about 30 miles an hour. That flew. That was fun. Oh, low battery. Okay, let's come back. That was a bit of fun. Which one's forward again? Is it that one? Yeah. Even though it's really hard, it's so much fun. It really is. I just love it. It's so different to any other kind of drone flying. Okay. Oh, I nearly fell over there. Did you see me nearly falling over? Oh, so disorientating. Well, let's go over here a little bit. Get out of the way to where I was. Okay. Let's do a bit more hovering practice. I like doing that. Going a bit off there. I'm all over the place, okay. Okay, a bit of hovering practice, that's good. Now how do I turn? That's my question. So that will turn me that way, and that will turn me that way. That helps, okay. And then that's your roll, I guess, I don't know what you call that, what the technical term is. So, if you want to go like that, yeah, you'll go fast that way. If you turn both at the same time, oh, sorry, didn't actually mean to turn that into normal mode. Oh, I really want to just go fast again. That was really fun when I went into the wind. But I don't know if I've got the right level of control. So if you turn with both sticks at the same time, it seems like that's maybe a way to turn quicker. By the way, with all of this stuff, I love your comments. If you have comments, suggestions, if I'm doing something stupid that's completely wrong, just say. I'd really love to hear it. Let's go fast. Whoa! Oh. Okay. Deliberate. Got it. Is it near the tree?
Yeah.
Let's get away from that tree then first. Manual mode. Okay. Turn around with the wind behind me a bit, get some practice with the wind behind and see how that goes. Okay. I want to get some speed again. Oh no. Let's just try and control it. Let's not get a bit ahead of ourselves. That's the thing, I'm really impatient. So I like... Well, that's the wind right there. That was the wind. Go fast. Whoa! 20 meters a second. That's so fun. I'm going to fly back in manual. Why not? It's be a good practice. If I can get it back. I'm going the wrong way now. Let's get it back, come on. I would have thought it would be so hard just to get it back to me, but I want to do it just as one final challenge. Ah, it's upside down. Oh. Quick damage survey of the drone. Some mud and scuffs on the underneath there. But it's held up pretty well. No major damage that I can see. Okay, so that's it. First benchmarking manual flight done. It's so hard. I know I said it was going to be a bit of an excuse, but it's a pretty good excuse. That wind was really savage. But regardless, it was super fun. I really enjoyed that, especially catching the wind behind me and just going super fast down there. That was really great fun. I will be coming back next week with a video to show my progress having practiced in the simulator for a good week. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please do consider dropping a like, as it will really help the channel. Also, consider subscribing. I've got loads more of this kind of content to come, and I'd really love to have you along for the journey. And I think that's it. Have a great week. Bye.